Hello there, I am Teacher Mary. I am joyful, jolly, and a friendly person. I can be friends with anyone, even people who have different cultures. That's why I am interested in teaching students with different nationalities. I graduated with Latin honor as magna cum laude and also awarded as Presidential Academic Awardee with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Curriculum. I am now a licensed professional teacher, bookkeeper NC3 holder, civil service eligible, and TFL certified. I can teach students of all ages from kids to adults. With 1 year of experience teaching English, I can help you improve your grammar, pronunciation, and even conversational skills. So, let's learn English together with fun and joy. See you soon!